Hey YouTube, it's me, Eric. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an install on my Evo 9. We're going to be replacing the ball joints and the tie rod ends. The product of choice for this install is going to be the Whiteline roll center kit. When you lower your vehicle, you change the geometry of the suspension. And by doing so, you're going to introduce more roll to the body. Alright, let's jack up the car and remove the lower control arms. So I'm going to go ahead and spray some penetrating oil on the subframe bolt and also the chassis bolt to help try and get those out. In the meantime, we're going to get the tie rod ends off. When removing the OEM tie rod in, you want to take note of how many rotations that you take off, because when you put the Whiteline one on, you're going to want it to be about the same, so your alignment is in a rough ballpark. Alright, now that we got this lower control arm out, we got to get this boot off. And then underneath here there's a snap ring that we got to detach from it. And then we should be able to press this out. won't bore you guys to death. The passenger side is the same procedure. If you like this video, smash that like button and also subscribe. Until next time, peace out.